What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And if you watch the channel, you remember this. I finally got a black and white dunk. But it's the high top. Aww. It's okay though, man. I finally got the lows, guys. Yes, sir. So in this 4K video, we're going to do an in-depth review of the Nike Dunk Panda lows. And to me, this sneaker is becoming the new Air Force One. We're getting a restock at least once a month in full size run. Kids, women, adult men, we're getting a whole bunch of restocks, yet they still hard to secure. I was lucky enough to get these last week on the Nike.com app. I tell you all the time, sneakers, Nike's trying to get away from sneakers being the only premier place to get their quick strike sneakers. Now Nike.com they releasing sneakers on a low on a Tuesday, on a Wednesday. You got to be in the know to know what's up. I just got lucky. I got a tweet and I ran there at 10 a.m. and I put in for a man's size, a kid's size, a woman's size, and I finally got my size, guys. So like I said, I think this is the new Air Force One. It's just not as easy as to obtain as the Air Force One. But as far as the price range and the look, the basic, it definitely is. So hit the B-roll. Yes, sir. And before we get into the video real quick, I just want you guys' opinions on the Jordan 1 taxis and the Jordan 12 taxis and the shattered backboard, I don't know what, 4.0, whatever they calling them, new orange ones, restocking every morning. Like, how do y'all feel about that? I mean, as a person who loves for everyone to acquire a shoe they want, I love it. I know resellers is a little tight, but I'm happy that Nike is making more sneakers, or I don't know. I can't explain why they're sitting, but I'm just happy everyone's ready to get what they want. This is going to be my new beater, man. It's crazy how I stalked this sneaker for retail just to beat them up. But super dope domino look, man. If you haven't, check out my full in-depth review on the high top of these. I even did a how to style. I put both of those up there so y'all could check that out. And without further ado, hit the music. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So you get your dark orange or light red Nike box. This is the regular Nike Dunk box you get for any Nike Dunk. That's not an SB, even the PRMs. If you check out my last video, the tartan plaid Nike Dunk Low PRM, it came in this box. I know we like the Lifesaver box, the quick strike joint, or the purple joint, but it is what it is. You're not wearing the box. It reads Nike Dunk Low Retro, white, black, white. That's it, guys. That's it. And here's a 360 view of the Nike Dunk Low Panda. Real basic, right? It's just this colorway is like, it's like perfect, man. It's like a perfect Oreo, you know what I mean? Or the perfect domino. So they go to check there, and I noticed when I took it out the box, the check had like some stitching mishaps over there, but I guess it's because they just trying to make a whole bunch. I'm not really mad at it, especially at the $105 or $110 price tag, but it is noticeable. Inside, you got the sandwich of the white, no tumbleness, not known for the tumbleness, but it's just a perfect cutout match, man. Let's go to the toe box. I seen better leather, but this is nice leather. Does have some bounce back, as you see there. Firm leather. Around the toe box, you have that black leather. And I feel like they did a little better with this. As at first when I seen pictures of this Panda a year and a half ago, it looked like the leather was wrinkling fast, but I guess because I ain't put it on feet yet. But nice leather. Under the black, they go the sandwich of the white again, and then under the white, they go the sandwich of the black again. I'm telling you, basic sneaker, but the way they color blocked it is crazy. The back is where you get that regular Nike Dunk logo. One of my favorite Nike Dunk logos. I know it's original, it's OG, but I just love it. I wish they kind of would have made it red, but I get it. White, black, white, black, white, black. The color blocking is crazy, guys. The inside of the sneaker, same as the outside far as like style. My swoosh does look a little better here. You don't see it like here. I'm laced in black shoelaces, which is perfect because again, white mesh tongue, black shoelaces. The white and the black is color coordinating again. On top of the mesh tongue, you get a Nike logo in the black stitching with white writing. No shoe tree. Dunks don't come with shoe tree. You get some tissue paper. I don't know if they're making fakes of the Dunks, but the popularity of these Panda Dunks, it might be some fakes on the market, some reps. I'm not sure. I'm not deal with rep. I don't deal with reps. This is not the channel for that. But inside is white and black again, guys. If you've seen one Air Force One or Nike Dunk low or high, you're going to get this look. Even the SBs, this one is all black. Sometimes they translucent, but this one is just all black, and it mimics every Nike Dunk low ever we've seen. Now here go the swoosh on my left Dunk, and that swoosh is way better than the right Dunk. So I know y'all see the difference. You see the little stitching on my right one. Look at my left one. More perfect. Everything else adds up with these sneakers though. Nothing's changed. I remember on the high tops, I think my tag was red. I can't remember. Or orange. Yeah, safety orange, I think it said. But nothing here is safety orange or red. Everything is white and black. Yes, sir. So let me know how y'all feel about the lows or the highs. I like them both, but I'm a low dude, even when it comes to SBs. So that's why I really, really wanted the lows. But if you can't get the lows, the high tops are not bad. Or even if you got to go women's size, just do it. I'm telling you, the sneaker is okay. I was going to say fire, but it's kind of basic. But it is fire, man. I'm not going to lie. I know it's just a regular black and white look, but that's what makes it perfect. I remember I did a review on the UCLAs, and I really like that blue and yellow combination too. So Dunks is doing a thing when it comes to the color coordination. If you haven't, check out my review on the tartan plaid joints. This sneaker's clean, guys. Clean, man. It has a Dunk look also, just with some plaid on it. It looks just like the Pandas, just with some plaid on it. So I like these two. Told you I'm bringing on the What's on Foot segment back to the channel. So today I have on foot the Jordan 1 Alila May satin joints. Fire sneaker, man. That made me want to jump on everything Alila May. She has some hits, she has some misses, but these silver and black shadow recreation joints were too fire. I need to wear them more. So on foot today, I got on the Jordan 1 Alila May joints. In the comment section below, let me know what you got on foot when you catch this video. I don't care if it's tomorrow, if it's next week. I don't care if it's socks or clogs. Just write down in the comment section below what you got on today when you catch the video. Now back to the Panda Dunks. But yeah, guys, if you weren't able to secure this yet, don't go pay the $190, $195 on StockX or Go just yet. Give it 2 to 3 more months, man. I see 2 to 3 more restocks coming, and I wish y'all all luck on getting them. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching. Everybody, get rich.